Hey there, Para folks. Here's how to learn new cooking recipes in Paralives. If you've been cooking meals in the game and wondering how to unlock more recipes for your para, it's actually pretty easy. Start by zooming out of the map and facing the town from the coastline. Then look toward the train tracks on the right side of this hill with houses. Follow the tracks toward the tunnel at the back of town and you'll find a general store just to the left of it. Click on the store and have your para visit during its opening hours. Once the interior becomes visible, head to the left side of the counter where you'll find a recipe booklet. Interact with it and choose the option to learn a random new recipe for 100 paradigms. Each time you use the booklet, your para will learn a new recipe at random. Just keep in mind that it has a 24-hour in-game cooldown, so you'll need to come back the next day if you want to learn another one. After that, the newly learned recipe will be added to your available cooking options the next time you prepare a meal. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.